Okay, so git always show staged changes resource group. And this is really easy to understand. This is what this looks like. By default, it's set to false, but let's see what happens here when you set it to true. You see the staged changes, right? And this is really what this option does. It always shows the staged changes resource group or not. I actually find this very helpful because I've made the mistake before of forgetting to click the plus sign on the to stage the changes, and to me it's just clearer that in order for me to be able to commit, I actually have to have some staged changes, some staged changes. God damn it! So yeah, I actually enjoy having that. So I'm gonna leave this one as true.